teacher of tribal fusion Bellydance style, and I welcome you to enjoy my free tutorial by the music changed by Deftones. Let's start. We start our choreography back to the mirror, back to the audience. So the first we have 3 arms undulations. You just have this beautiful posture and you start with right arm. So you go with elbow, then wrist, and your hand is really released, but you don't need to hand it like this. So just the same line. So elbow, wrist, left, elbow, wrist, again right, elbow, wrist. After this, you just do steps with your fingers from your shoulder till your wrist, and then you open your arms like that. You can go with your upper body a little bit to the side, and also you can add your hips. With the rhythm of the music we have the accents, so if you want to add your hips, you just go with right hip up, left hip up. For that we use our oblique muscles, so up, 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 really gentle, without any sharp movement, so just enjoying this moment. Yes, so bam, 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 bam. Then we open our arms, and then we have accent in the music, and we turn, but only our head. So turn, and after that we do step with right foot, and then really slowly by the shoulder, left shoulder, we turn to the front and a little bit to the diagonal. And after this turn, we go a little bit down. So I sit down, I bend my knees like that, and arm undulation, but with 2 arms from elbows, wrists. And then I go up with my arms. Here I have body wave with arms. So for body wave, what I do? I keep my lower back straight and I go up with my chest. So up, then I go a little bit back, but only my upper body. Then I go with my belly in, and then I release my hips. So up, back, in, release. My arms go from the top down and in the parallel with the body down. So like that. After that, I turn really slowly forward, and then I start do figure 8 with my hips. I start with my right, so right, left, right. So we follow the music, so we need to hear the accents, we need to have this melodic in our body. This is my goal all the time. I don't, I use the counting, of course, but at the same time I prefer to follow the music. So right, left, right. How I do this figure 8? I go up with my hip. I use my oblique muscles. So up, then push to the side, then I go to the horizon, and then I go in. So right, left, right. During this, I go through the center with my arms. I up them and then open. So right, left, right, open. And after that, we have movement, so it was Maya, and after that we have movement that's called mermaid, and we love it from AnimA Shadows vocabulary level 1. So we go to the left side with right arm, to the right side. We have just circles with our arms and just turn a little bit our upper body. So right arm, left arm, then I go up, I go up my head with my head, and I fixate my arms here, and I do chest circle. So chest circle, like half of chest circle, I go with my chest to the left side, then I go up and then to the right side, and I hold my lower back. Left to the top, to the right, and this is all. And then I go up with my arms, and the next movement called slap. Also from AnimA Shadows vocabulary level 1. So I start with my hand, like slap here, and at the same time we do Maya. We already learned this movement, I showed you. So I do step also, so like this. Yes. So right, and after that I go up with my arms, like that. So boom, and up. Here I have just circle with my arm. After that I use some fingers here, and after that I push my hips to the right side and I do this big circle. So this is a part of the combination from AnimA Shadows vocabulary that called sexy barrel. So we do this, boom, and back. And then we go to the left side. So this slap and up and finger, then sexy barrel. And then, yes, here we have flower. If you need the explanation of this movement, please write to me and I will send it directly to you. I have it already, but it's a little bit long explanation, so yes, I have additional tutorial for that. So here, like boom. After that, I go down with my right arm, and here I have hip circle, and then I go forward with my right hip. So this combination called flirt. So I go with my right hip. So I go with my right hip here. So I go back, in, in. So back, in. And during this I do circle. It feels like someone hold my elbow. So I go back and in. So just repeat the movement with hip. And then I do arm undulation that we already did from elbow to the wrist. Here, boom, boom. And then I do step forward. I do Maya. We already did this movement. And I just move my fingers like I'm calling someone. And after that, I just step forward. So I start with my right, I open my arms, like step, and then really soft drop. And with left, and soft drop. So let's repeat the whole choreography from the beginning, part by part, really fast, and then we will dance with the music. We start, back to the audience, we start with right, left, right, then we do steps, then we open with hips, then head, and turn, and we go down with our arms, and we go up, and then body wave. After that, right hip, Maya, left hip, right hip, and open. Then we have mermaid. To the left, to the right, up head and chest circle. Then we go up with our arms, then slap and up. And sexy barrel. And then arm and hip. And then forward and fingers and step and soft drop and step. And before we will dance the whole piece with the music, I am really happy to invite you to my Enigmatic Fusion course. Even if you didn't dance before, I designed this course special for different level dancers, from zero till intermediate. We will dance fundamentals. You will learn my 20 combinations from my author's vocabulary AnimA Shadows. And this vocabulary has witchy, dark vibes. So I'm sure if you already learned and watched this video, this course will be really perfect for you. So we will start in September 22nd. And one amazing thing, you can join online or you can join in person in Krakow, and also you will have the recordings of all the classes. In November, at the Lunar Tribal Party, we will dance this choreography, group dance, so I will be really happy to share the stage with you. If you want to join, please check in the description the link. If you have questions, please write to me and ask me, and I will answer you with a big pleasure. So let's dance. Arm, left, right. Fingers, open. Head, turn. Wrist. Leg. Smile. Right. Right. Arms. Slap. Sexy barrel. Flip. Steps. So much for watching this video. I enjoyed a lot this tutorial. So now you can subscribe, you can turn on notifications so you will not miss new tutorials from me, and also you can follow me on Instagram. There I upload a lot of free tutorials for you, and of course I'm waiting for you in my classes.